Everyone is talking about Claude Code, Gemini CLI, and Codex, but Cohere just released its first coding model called North Mini Code, and it's completely open source. What's even better is that you can use it for free inside OpenCode. So in this video, I'll show you how to set it up, connect it to OpenCode, and then we'll test it on a real codebase to see whether it can actually write and fix code. Before we jump into the demo, here's a quick overview. North Mini Code is Cohere's first coding model. Some highlights: open source, Apache 2.0 license, 256K context window, designed for coding agents, optimized for repository-level software engineering. Unlike chat models that generate code snippets, North Mini Code is built to understand larger projects and work more effectively inside coding agents. Now let's install it.
First, we need OpenCode. Open your terminal, go to the official website of OpenCode, and from here, copy the curl command, and then back to your terminal, paste it here, and press Enter key. It takes a few seconds to complete the installation progress, so wait until it's finished. Once installed, you can verify it by using this command, OpenCode --version. If you see a version number, you're ready. Now let's launch OpenCode. For this, actually, I will close this terminal and then go to a project directory or simply create a new project folder to start from scratch, and then open the project on your terminal. To launch OpenCode on this project directory, simple command, OpenCode. This opens the terminal-based AI coding environment. Think of it like Claude Code, but open source and model agnostic. Now let's connect North Mini Code. OpenCode supports different providers. We'll add the provider that hosts North Mini Code. But luckily, you can get North Mini Code directly inside OpenCode Zen, so you don't have to connect another provider or don't need to do any configuration. Here, simple type /models, and you can see there are various free models are available to use, such as DeepSeek v4 Flash model for free, Mimi v2.5, Nematron 3 Ultra, and North Mini Code models here for free to use. You can select any free AI models from the dropdown, or search models by their name, like North Mini Code. Select it as your active model. Once connected, OpenCode will use North Mini Code for all coding tasks. Let's start with something simple. I'm opening a Next.js project. Now I'll ask, explain this project structure. Notice what happens. The model scans the repository and starts describing app directory, components, API routes, configuration files. This is where large context models become useful. Instead of looking at a single file, it can understand the entire project. This is the most important part. Let's give it a real task. I intentionally introduced a bug into this project. The login page crashes when submitting the form. Now let's ask North Mini Code. Find and fix the login issue. Watch what it does. First, it searches relevant files. Then it traces the authentication flow. After identifying the issue, it proposes a fix. Let's review the changes. And now let's run the application again. The login page works. That's exactly the kind of workflow coding agents are designed for. Bug fixing is useful, but can it build new features? Let's test that. I'll ask, add dark mode support using Next themes and Tailwind. The model now installs dependencies, creates provider setup, updates layout, adds theme switcher. Let's review the generated code. And after running the app, dark mode works. This is much closer to real software engineering than simple code generation.
One thing I really like about North Mini Code is its 256K context window. Imagine working on large Next.js applications, SaaS products, monorepos, enterprise codebases. Smaller models often lose context. North Mini Code can keep significantly more of the project in memory. That means fewer mistakes and better understanding of large repositories.
After testing it inside OpenCode, my first impression is surprisingly positive. The model feels capable when exploring repositories, understanding architecture, fixing bugs, implementing features. Is it replacing Claude code tomorrow? Probably not. But considering it's open source, has a 256K context window, and is available for free in OpenCode, it's definitely worth trying. If you're interested in open source AI coding tools, North Mini Code is one of the most interesting releases we've seen recently. Let me know what project you'd test it on, and I'll see you in the next video.